Before we kick things off, a quick disclosure. This explainer actually features AI-generated insights. We're doing this to perfectly showcase the power of the exact tools we're going to be talking about today. So welcome, everyone. Listen, if you're a busy professional trying to figure out how to maximize your content ROI without adding, 10 more hours to your workday, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're building what I like to call the Executive's AI Studio. We're going to see how you can take dense, incredibly complex information and scale it into captivating content effortlessly using NotebookLM. Okay, let's dive into this. Look at this hard truth we pulled straight from our Reddit sources. Attention is currency. I mean, we all feel this every single day, right? In today's hyper-competitive market, traditional, dense text documents are literally obsolete when it comes to keeping an audience engaged. You just can't hand a client or a team member a giant wall of text and expect them to care, let alone actually retain the info. You need a compelling visual narrative. Because we completely value your time, we've broken this highly optimized director's playbook down into 5 actionable steps. 1. Pre-production. 2. Production. 3. Directing the AI. 4. Avatar workflows. And 5. Slides to video. So let's jump right in.
Step 1. Pre-production. The ultimate research assistant. You kind of need to completely reframe how you think about NotebookLM. It's no longer just a basic summarization tool. It is your new executive creative director. Just think about the massive efficiency gain here. The old way meant manually grinding through something painful, like a heavy 39-page Apple AI research paper on large reasoning models. Actually, scratch that. It's more like agonizing over it for hours. But the new way? You feed that exact document into NotebookLM, and it instantly cross-references patterns, pulls out the key insights, and gives you a foundation to work with in literally seconds.
And you aren't limited to just one document. No way. You can feed up to 50 massive sources into the system. We're talking PDFs, YouTube links, web articles, financial reports, the whole shebang. One filmmaker on Reddit actually described using this as a searchable script brain to catalog and cross-reference entire screenplays. By feeding it all your raw material, you build this rock-solid, incredibly smart foundation for the content you're about to produce. Let's move to and see how this builds. Step 2, production, cinematic generation. So within the tool, you've got a few different video output formats to choose from. A brief gives you bite-sized core ideas. An explainer gives you a structured slide-based overview. But the absolute premium choice for business storytelling, that's the cinematic format. It goes way beyond simple slides to create a rich, immersive experience that visually unpacks those complex ideas. Now, for full transparency, unlocking this top-tier cinematic generation requires the Google AI Ultra tier. And yeah, that's an investment of $250 per month. That might sound a bit steep at first glance, but consider the alternative. This investment effectively replaces a whole production team of junior editors and animators, giving you high-end output totally on demand. And the reason it can replace a whole team is because there's a literal film production pipeline operating right under the hood. It's this flawless collaboration between 3 distinct AI models. Step 1, Gemini 3 acts as your creative director, analyzing the sources and setting the narrative blueprint. Step 2, Nano Banana Pro steps in to generate the specific static images and visual assets. And Step 3, Veo 3 takes all of that and animates it into a final fluid video. You also get incredible control over the aesthetic. For example, you can select specific constraints, like the anime visual style. Why does this matter for us as business professionals? Well, because injecting vibrant, high-energy colors and dynamic pacing into otherwise dry text tech instructions or corporate onboarding, it keeps your audience wide awake and highly engaged. It literally makes the mundane pop. Step 3, directing the AI through master prompting. So, the crucial point is, to get the absolute best results, you've got to move from just clicking buttons to acting like a true auteur director. You have to feed the AI's strict, uncompromising constraints so your business videos don't end up looking like, well, boring corporate slides. Look at these rules sourced from a brilliant Reddit master prompt. No talking heads longer than 3 seconds. You must enforce the 3-second rule for visual changes to keep the viewer's dopamine levels up, and you absolutely must demand semantic motion. What exactly is semantic motion? It's a directive that tells the AI that camera movement can never be random. The AI must use camera language to actively clarify your business logic. So, a fast pan, that means there's a connection between 2 ideas. A slow zoom, that means we're focusing in on a critical data point. You're forcing the AI to use visual language to do the explaining for you. It's a real game changer. Step 4, avatar workflows and post-production hacks. For professionals who want to elevate an AI audio overview into a realistic video podcast, here is the exact 4-step software hack shared by YouTube creator Albert Van Aken. Step 1. Download the 2-host audio file directly from NotebookLM. Step 2. Use Audacity to meticulously split that single track into 2 separate audio tracks, one for the male voice, one for the female. Step 3. Upload those individual tracks into HeyGen to generate lifelike avatars, making sure to pull different camera angles for each. And Step 4. Drop those separate video clips into DaVinci Resolve and use its multicam edit feature to seamlessly switch between the speakers just like a real studio broadcast. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how engagingly these AI avatars can deliver incredibly dry data. In Albert's example, he used this exact workflow to discuss a super dense Microsoft cybersecurity report. Instead of forcing someone to read that implementing multi-factor authentication reduces compromise risk by a whopping 99.2%, you have 2 realistic avatars having a dynamic, relatable, back-and-forth conversation about it. The retention of that statistic just goes through the roof.
Finally, Step 5, slides to video and instant MP4 generation. This is a massive cheat code for instantly adding narrations to presentations. The workflow is wonderfully simple. First, export your unwatermarked slides out of NotebookLM and into Google Slides. Then, open your browser and head over to vids.google.com. Import those slides directly into the platform. With just a click, Vids will automatically apply an AI voiceover script and perfectly timed background music to your presentation, generating an instant MP4. It's an incredible time saver. And this brilliantly illustrates why we are leveraging these exact tools. Look at this quote from a user who applied these workflows to their stamp collecting business. Trade the daily grind for a self-sustaining growth engine. By utilizing these AI pipelines, you aren't just making pretty videos. You are building real, scalable market authority without working yourself into the ground. You're creating assets that sell your expertise while you sleep. So I'll leave you with this final thought. You've seen the playbook. You know the tools. Are you ready to trade the daily grind to become the leading authority in your market? The technology is here, and the director's chair is open. It is time to start scaling your impact.